Right,
for the final time today. Hi guys, we are at Newark Castle Station Level Crossing in Nottinghamshire with Shane and Andrew.
Right, and also whilst we wait for Nero Charlie 9 to ping somewhere,
we wait upon our 2 Lima 66, which is already here. 1405 is with the train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester.
Here she is, 413.
It is 156413, which was supposedly on 2 Lima 69, but it's turned out to be on 2 Lima 66.
Whenever you like, God. Your time is ours.
Is it?
156413 to Leicester.
156413 on the fast service to Leicester.
Wait, 7?
No, fast.
Well, whatever.
Well, 413 to Leicester. Apparently Nottingham.
Why are you still on 4? Oh, yeah, you're manual Nottingham.
I think 413 did the Nottingham.
I think the signal's fully manual.
Yeah. Do you think, because it says Nottingham, do you think 413 did Nottingham this morning?
She's probably the only morning Nottingham, wasn't she, like 5:26?
There it goes.
And
Wait for it. That's it.